Hey everyone! Imagine pressing the clutch but your car doesn't respond properly, or worse, it won't start at all. You keep trying, but the problem just won't go away. If your obd2 scanner shows P0821, clutch position switch circuit low, you've got an issue with the system that detects your clutch pedal movement. Ignoring this could lead to gear shifting problems or even prevent the engine from starting. In this video, we'll break down what P0821 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. The P0821 trouble code signals that the clutch position switch is sending a low voltage signal, which can disrupt communication with the engine control module, ECM, or transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0821. Engine won't start unless you press the clutch multiple times. Difficulty shifting gears in manual transmissions. Clutch pedal feels unresponsive. Check engine light is on, and car enters limp mode in some cases. If you're experiencing these issues, it's time to check the sensor locations. To fix P0821, you need to inspect these key components. Clutch position switch, located attached to the clutch pedal assembly, usually near the firewall or clutch master cylinder. This detects when the clutch pedal is pressed and sends signals to the ECM/TCM. Clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder are located near the firewall, connected to the clutch pedal via hydraulic lines. These control hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage the clutch. Transmission control module or engine control module, located near the transmission or under the dashboard. These process signals from the clutch position switch. The wiring harness runs between the clutch switch, ECM and TCM. Fuse and relay for clutch circuit are in the fuse box under the dashboard or hood, protecting the circuit from electrical faults. Common causes of P0821, faulty clutch position switch. The switch may be worn out or stuck, sending incorrect signals. Misaligned or stuck clutch pedal, damaged wiring or connectors, and defective control modules. Broken wires, loose connections, or blown fuses can cause voltage drops. How to fix P0821. Check the clutch position switch using a multimeter to test for voltage changes when pressing the clutch. Inspect the clutch pedal and master cylinder. Examine wiring and connectors for damage. Scan for additional codes, check fuses and relays, then clear the code and test drive after repairs. The P0821 code can lead to frustrating clutch and shifting problems, but diagnosing the clutch position switch, wiring, and related components will help you fix the issue quickly. Watch these related videos next. P0508, idle air control system circuit low, and P0509 idle air control system circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.